Hey YouTube, what's up? I know I haven't made video in like 2 months now, and I haven't got any idea. But then I was on vacation right now, especially in a hotel room. So what I found is that they actually use this kind of soft switch. It's basically like a soft latching switch, and while scrolling through the whatever you call this stuff, right? Let's open it up. Oops. Too much force. Okay, let's use my Samsung as flashlight. Got this key. This would just move out a bit, so it runs like this. So I guess why not we take a look what's inside there? And I left this up. Okay, hold on. This has to be done by 2 hands. Oh my god. Look at the wood. The plywood is reasonable quality. It's definitely custom made by the quality of it. I think this I'm gonna need some. It's not gonna be easy to open. Okay, this is hard. I have this wire that I used to tie those network cable that I carry from home, because apparently they provide a network cable that is like so short that you can even plug it in. It hits. Oh yeah, it hits. Let me see. Hold on. Wait a second. This thing's. Let me move it here. Wow. I mean, seriously, I didn't open this cover. It's not me. I didn't open anything. I didn't open this cover. It was placed like this before, but I did take a look at these things before. So these are basically all the relays controls. Look at that. Just play it. Let me show you. All those LEDs are on. Now we push one of the buttons on here. It's off. Which one turns off? Oh wait. This one on. Okay, this one's off. Let me do it again. There. Ah yes, look at that. Look at this LED it's over there. I'm not gonna touch it. These are all the relay boards. These are the relays. They have its own function here. I think that's the controller. I wonder what will happen if I unplug these things, but maybe I won't do that. Oh wait, I think this is I think it's the control from there. I wonder what does the relay do. There was like clicking on it, but it doesn't do anything. And there's an unlock part here. You can open it up. Look at what's behind it. ABB contactor. And there's more controller over there. Some terminals, wires, maybe tuck it up a bit so I can close this back. Oh my god, this is hard. Wait. Let's close this back. Oh my god, this is hard. Oh my god, okay, it's locked in place. I think this is basically kind of like a PLC or something like that. I'm not quite sure about their systems. And again, I'm not a professional on this kind of stuff. I just find it interesting as a hobbyist to look around here. These are live terminals. These are live terminals. Don't touch it. Look at this main control board. I think it's a microcontroller. Is this an opto isolator? I think these are opto. Looks like it. Smells like it. Oh no, not really. And is this a fuse or just a? Is this thing a fuse or just a standard disconnect? They don't have any unused one. I want to try pull it off to see what's in there. I think it's just a disconnect. Look at how quick. And someone who did maintenance on it didn't put the cover back on. Interesting. And say caution and symbol. I think this is gonna get interesting. Open it up. Ooh. We got the schematic of the, yep, this circuit board schematics, all those stuff. Yep. I wonder when this one was built. I mean, what year is it? I mean, like right now, this MG brand doesn't even make an MCB anymore. Since they're being bought by Schneider, the name was being replaced by Schneider MCBs. And there's an old MG. Let's see how many amps. Ooh, the incoming breaker is 40 amps. Damn, that's high. Even higher than my whole house. 40 amps, and then the RCCB is 40 amps. This is the RCCB, not the RCBO. You don't protect against short circuit. It will just trip if you touch a live wire. And these are all the standard MCB. 10 amps, 10 amps, 20 amps, 20 amps, 20 amps, 32 amps. I wonder what's the purpose of like really high current. I don't think a hotel room requires that much power. I mean, like 32 amps. Let's see, 32 amps. Seriously, it's 32 amps. Where's my calculator? Where is it? Here it is. Like 32 multiplied by 220, 7,000 kVA. Who will need 7,000 kVA on a hotel room? Like, seriously. Interesting somehow. There's 32 amps and the main is 40 amps. 40 is like, let's see, 40 multiplied by 220, 8.8 kVA. Damn, that's high for a hotel room. But the incoming breaker looks good though. This cuts both live and neutral, as far as I can tell, unless they have three-phase electricity. Oh wait, no, not gonna be three-phase. Three-phase will have the bigger RCCB. These are one-phase, so that's these things. If I turn this off, that like the whole room will become dark. Well, maybe I'm gonna put the cover back for the whoever didn't close it, and apparently this main electrical panel was not being locked as well. No, I didn't do anything to these things. They just didn't lock it. Damn, is this plastic? Is this a plastic cover? Okay. Meh, I didn't bring my screwdriver. I want to look how clean is the cable in there. Can I take a peek? Oh my god, I'm gonna break something, I guess. Okay, the camera can see what's inside, maybe. Okay, my hand's only 2. Let's see if we can see inside there. Ooh, damn, look at that. Okay. It's okay, I guess. Not that great. But like, is this drywall? Oh, it was just locked on a drywall. Okay. Let's look at this schematics. Whew. Oh shit, look at capacitor? What? Capacitor? What? ELV parts. What does the capacitor says 3A? Is it 3 amps or what? Oh, is it fuse? Is it fuse? Is that a fuse? Oh, they did a great job making these things. Oh. These are the RCULV. Let's see, curtain Oh, is the M55 transformer? Interesting. Oh, it's the schematic of the lighting control. Look at that. Foyer 1S, and there's it. Wardrobe light, 14 watts. Sheer open, sheer close. Yep, it has a self-open and self-closing curtain and sheer. Okay. Let's see what else it is. Is this a HVAC controller? Is it? Is it? Oh, upside down again. Nope, not really. It's just the ELV. The RCU ELV is basically like here. What is it? What kind of system do they use? Oh, interesting. It doesn't say, but it doesn't tell anything about the HVAC control. I'd love to see how this works. Nope, there's nothing. Yep, nothing. DDC thermostat. Oh, it was combined. Yep. Okay, let's return all of this, because somebody wouldn't want to lose these things. Because in case of trouble, you can easily troubleshoot all the stuff with this paperwork. Let's put it back. Wow. You can put it back again. Oh, it's a sleeve. It's a sleeve. Let's put it back in. Oh my god, I can't do it one-handed. I don't know if the camera was pointed in the right direction. Come in. Hello? Please. Let's get in there. Oh my god. Okay, it's in. Damn, it's just so hard to put it in. Seriously, there it is. Oh my god, this is hard. Done. There it is. It's in, so I can push it further. Let's close it back. Let's take a look more but on this MCB. There's no more. You can't find any new one anymore. I don't think they're still being produced, except the one that have Snyder label on it and the orange this thing. I don't know when they were being bought by Snyder, but yeah, still have fun looking at these things, you know, electrical. Oh wow, someone managed to bend these things. Damn, it's hard. Yep, one more look. Yeah. Oh, there's another control board in there. Oh. And I don't have any proper hardware to control, but there's a program switch in there. It got me thinking if you can do something changing these things to make it act like however you want. I guess that's it for this. Thanks for watching. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you think this video is stupid and useless. See ya.